Hey guys, this question comes up a lot when I do read alouds to my students, okay? I'm in the middle of the book and they say, what page are we on? And I tell them, they go, well, how many pages do we have left? And I don't usually tell them, I just tell them the last page number, okay? And so we have to use subtraction. We have to subtract what we've read to know what we have left, okay? I'm going to give you an example, okay? So let's say we have a book, it's got 87 pages in it, and we have already read 29, okay? So if you subtract 29 from 87, you can find the answer to that question. And we're going to try using a number line to see how it goes. Now, you might have a different system, and that's fine, but today we're going to try it with a number line, okay? So to do this, we would put the 29 on this side. Most number lines head out this way to get larger, okay? And we're going to leave it open because we're not sure when we're going to finish. We're going to make jumps to find out how many pages for each one. So in this case, I can't jump 100 because I don't have 100 books. This is my target number. So I could try, let's say I'll go 60. 60 plus 20 makes me 80, but I got 9. That would put me over the target number. I got to stay under that. So instead I'm going to jump 50. I'm going to jump 50 pages, okay? 50 plus 29 makes 79. That makes it pretty easy. Okay, I'm just going to 87, so I could do little jumps of 1, like this, okay, and count them out, okay. But I also could use, the little fingers here. So I got 79, I put that in my head, and I count to 87. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So 8 fingers, okay, so that's plus 8. And now I'm up to 87. And then to find out this answer, I have to add these numbers up here, 50 plus 8, okay? All right, let's see if I got it right now. Sometimes I make mistakes with my subtraction. I don't often make it with addition. So if I get it right, this number and this number will make the same number as this, okay? So I'm going to try it out here. I'll put 58 on top because I usually put my large number on top. And I'm going to add 29 to it. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry over my 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I got the same answer as I had here. So 87 pages in the book, minus 29 we've read. We have 58 more to go. Okay? That one's done. Okay, let's try another example here. I think I'll need to erase this to get this out of the way. Okay, let's try a little larger number now. This one is 565 pages. Now, I don't usually read books that long to my students, but sometimes I do if I'm going to read it for the whole year. Minus 128 we have already read. How many do we have left? Okay, once again, we're going to try a number line with it. It's going to be an open number line. We're going to start here with 128, okay? And we're going to be jumping out towards our target number, 565. I'm going to start with hundreds, okay? So hundreds. So 128, can I add 500? No, that would put me at 600. Can I add 400? Yes. 400 plus 128 would keep me under the target number. So I'm going to add 400 to it. Plus 400. I put the new number here. 400 plus 128 is 528. I've gotten very close. Okay, I'm ready for another jump now. 28. Could I add 40? 20 and 40? No, that would put me at 8. I'd be over on that one, okay? So I'm just going to add 30 this time. Plus 30. 528 plus 30 gives me 558. Okay, I'm very close now. 58 to 65. 558. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 7 fingers. So I'm going to put that up here, plus 7. And now I'm right there at my target number, 565. You still there? Yeah, it looks like you are. Okay, and now I need to add this up to find out the total. 437. That was pretty easy. 437. Okay, once again, I'm going to check. Did I get that right? Okay, it's 565 pages. We read 128. We have 437 to go. I'm going to check that again with addition. Put my large number on top, my smaller on the bottom. I'm adding it because if I did it correctly, these two numbers added together will make this number, okay? 8 and 7 is 15. 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 1 is 5. So yes, once again, I got it correct, okay? All right, one more to go, and then your teacher will be able to ask you any questions about it, okay? Answer any questions about it. All right, let's get this off of here. Does it look simple? Now, I know some of you have different strategies, but today we're going to use this number line strategy, okay? And we'll give you some paper to work on for it. Okay, next one is the largest number so far, 626 minus 287. So it looks like we've been reading this book for a while, maybe half the year already, and but we still got about half the pages to go. So let's see what we can do here. So we're going to start with the beginning number. This is where we're at. We've read 287 so far. Our target number is going to be out here, 626. How many can I add to it in hundreds? 400. No, that would give me 687. That's more than the target number. I got to keep it under that. So how about 300? We'll try with 300. Plus 300. 300 plus 200 is 587. So I didn't have to change the 87 because I was only adding to the hundreds, okay? I'm already quite close. What I like to do is get to even numbers. So I would like this to be a 600, okay? So I kind of already know by looking at that what that would be. Can anybody you tell? 587 plus what would make 600? I'll give you a second. Hopefully you said 13, okay? So 10 will make you 90, and 3 makes it to 600, okay? So 587 plus 13 gives me 600, and then the last part's really easy. It's 26, so I don't even have to think about it. So 626, and I did that in 1, 2, 3 jumps. Now the adding's a little bit different because I got double digits here and here, okay? So I'm going to line them up just to make sure I do it correctly. 300 plus 13 plus 26. 6 and 3, 2 and 1, and 3. 339 is this total here, okay? Let me double check it. Okay, if I did it correctly, these two numbers should equal 626. 339 goes on top, 287 below it, and we're going to add those. You still with me? Hope so. Okay, 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 and 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 is 6. So yes, once again, we got the right number for it. Okay, so use this method and find out. In this one, we started with 626 pages to read. We read 287, 339 to go. Okay, give it a shot and see how it works. You see it all? Okay.